guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I was busy with my trainings. As you all know, I don't know if many of you all know, but every cabin crew goes with training within 12 month का license renew कराने के लिए. So I was in training and I got this flight which is Nairobi, and it's like a 2-day clear day pattern. Like today is the first day and third day I'm going in the evening. So it's like a good pattern. Now I'm so hungry. This salad, then they have burger. I don't know why they give this. I'm gonna have this meal and I'm gonna sleep because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुकी हूँ. I have already made plans to go spa and everything. Let's see how it goes. See you all tomorrow. Bye. So I'll tell you a very weird coincidence happened with me and my roommate. Both woke up at 6 a.m. मैं उससे पहले 3 बजे उठी थी. 3 बजे मैं बहुत गंदे सपने से उठी थी. She is telling me that she woke up at the same time and she saw really bad, same related to family, and she wanted to talk to her family but couldn't because वो रात के 3 बज रहे थे and all. And I said that dude, that same thing happened with me. She went to use washroom. ऐसा मैंने देखा 6 बजे. And she's telling me that you went to use washroom at 6 a.m. मैंने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हें देखा है जाते हुए. And I saw that you were turning on light and I could not turn the lights on because master switch बंद था. And she's like, bro, I did not go washroom. I said, I went, I saw you. And she's like, no bro, I did not. And you went to use washroom. मैं 3 बजे गई थी when you were asleep. मैं 6 बजे कभी गई नहीं हूँ washroom. And she's like, dude, we both have seen each other going washroom at that time, but you did not and I did not as well. Okay, after that I got freshen up, did my skincare because it was time to go and have my breakfast. मैं काफ़ी late उठी थी, almost 15 minute बचे थे breakfast में. Then I went. So yup, while I was enjoying my breakfast, because Nairobi का breakfast venue बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही open है, I would say. I have noticed my senior cabin crew, she has beautiful hair length as you can see, and then I noticed my hair length, the difference you can see, right? Breakfast के बाद we went for little walk. हम swimming pool area के पास गए थे. वहाँ पे हम थोड़ी देर बैठे because sun was very pleasant, and then the entire day I slept क्योंकि मुझे शाम को 5 बजे जाना था for spa. It's 5 p.m. and finally it is time to go and have a spa, and I'm very excited because this is going to be my first time. So I'll tell you all how it went. And it's raining here. So this is how my room looks. This is me. I'm gonna change and bye. Okay, spa was really good. I literally slept during session. और spa ख़त्म होने के बाद मुझे इतनी ज़ोर की भूख लगी थी. Although I had really good breakfast, but still, so I had to grab this yogurt and then we went for evening walk. वहाँ का evening इतना सुंदर था. As you can see, the sky is literally blue. I could not stop myself from recording this. It is really pretty. I don't know कितना justify हो रहा है video में. So after this, it was time for our dinner. Me and my roommate, even after having really weird dream and coincidence, we really wanted to watch horror movie, but भगवान ने हमें बचा लिया क्योंकि हमारा टीवी स्मार्ट टीवी नहीं था, तो we had to watch Mr. Bean. But I did not regret that. Like, it was really a good time watching Mr. Bean. I found a Bible kept in my drawer and I decided to read it a bit, but जैसे book खोला मैंने, मुझे नींद आने लगी.
Okay, I was going to sleep and I was doing my skincare, then I realized there is always something going on my face. Like, ऐसा कोई दिन नहीं है जिस दिन मेरे चेहरे पे कोई पिंपल ना हो. एंड स्पेशली दिस चिन एरिया. अभी ये ठीक हो रहा था कि ये आ गया. इससे पहले ये था. अगेन इससे पहले कुछ और था. What?
Tomorrow I am planning, भगवान प्लीज़, कि मैं swim के लिए चली जाऊँ. I hope I don't get lazy or something. This is my breakfast. A Okay, I am ready. I have changed into a swim dress, which I'm gonna show you all. So basically, as a crew, we need to keep this thing in our mind that what are we wearing and what we are not when we are in hotel premises, or even if we are going out, because we don't want to hear something like, yeah, chai, you know, you cannot wear this is not the proper dress code, because you are here for your work, not for your vacation. So you need to keep a lot of things in your mind before doing anything in your layover. And I'm sure like it varies airline to airline, but in my airline, Indian airline, बहुत सारी चीज़ें you have to keep in your mind, because people comes with a lot of notion कि, oh, if you're wearing something which is not looking too classy, then probably it's bad. So even if I'm going for a swim, I need to keep this thing in my mind, that what I'm wearing and what I'm not. So this is my swim dress for today, and I think it's pretty cute. It comes with shorts attached with it. I also got my bathrobe. So this is probably I'll sleep because I have to report for duty in the evening. तो मैं भी पूरा दिन सोऊंगी and then bye. Okay, around 4 p.m. we got notice that our flight is delayed by more than 3 hours. So eventually हमारा reporting time change हो गया था. तो हमारी पूरी रात की फ़्लाइट थी, but I couldn't sleep after that क्योंकि मैं 4 बजे जग गई थी. मैंने पूरी दोपहर सो लिए थे. So I have to get ready now, and I'm getting ready for flight. I'm excited to go my hometown क्योंकि 2 दिन किसी भी शहर और किसी भी देश में रहने के बाद मुझे बहुत बोरियत होने लगती है. And I was excited for my flight. Crew set were really nice, sector was really sorted, and this is the final check we are doing so that we do not leave anything behind in the hotel room. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसे हो चुका है, मेरे बहुत कपड़े गायब हो चुके हैं क्योंकि मैं उसे कहीं खोल के रख दिया है मैंने, और मैंने उसे पैक करना भूल गई हूँ. At the counter, I had to pay for my food and everything. I decided to pay by cash. And after a quick, nice briefing, we left for airport. You guys polled for a day in cabin crew live, and I hope you all like this video. If you do subscribe my channel, like and comment, and bye-bye.